We got some crispy hash browns going down. Let's get a handful of cheese on there. We got some cheddar jack going down right there. Listen, I'm building this thing. You might be wondering what you're looking at here, but I hate the inconsistencies of breakfast burritos. One bite you're getting potato, one bite you're getting eggs, one bite you're getting little cheese, right? We're gonna solve all that right now, but let's get our 3 eggs on top. And if you like scrambled eggs, go with scrambled eggs, but I like a little yolk in there, right? Already cooked bacon, already cooked sausage going down. I'm gonna add a little heat to it, a little green salsa going over to you. Listen, whatever you like in your breakfast burrito, guys, put it in there. Now, we gotta get to chopping. Simple as can be. Take your biggest knife, get it all mixed up real nice like. Now, I know I'm gonna get some hate in the comments on this one, but you can't tell me that you don't understand what I'm saying by the inconsistencies of a burrito, where you're taking one bite of one thing and the next bite something else, right? So with this, we're solving that problem. We're getting everything in the bite. Check, check. All right, we got a tortilla that we already warmed up here. We're gonna take a couple knivefuls. I'm telling you, I know it doesn't look like much, but this is a genius idea. I don't care what you say. So let's get this folded up. Burrito number 1 is done. All right, team, we got our burritos nice and rolled up. Now we're gonna do one more thing, set these off, all right? Guys, I know, listen, I could see you guys typing away, telling me how bad that looked, but trust me, when you take a bite and you get everything in that bite, you're gonna thank me later, trust me. All right, one last step. All right, time to toast these burritos off. Put the seam side down, right? And that'll help seal in the goodness. It's about a minute each side. All right, nice and toasty. Let's get it off, chop into one. All right, team, there you go. Perfect breakfast burritos. But you got everything in one bite. You're good to go. Y'all don't knock it till you try it. You're gonna give this a go one time. And you're gonna be like, CJ was right. I need to tell him about it. So tell me about it in the comments. I'm telling you, there's no better way to make a breakfast burrito, or hell, any other burrito you wanna make. I hate inconsistent bites in my burritos, and I solved that problem. Hope you solve it too. Give us a try, because baby, you know it's good. It really is.